Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I want to start making ski videos again, and the last thing I was using from 2018 is this GoPro 7 Black. Let's do some research to see if there's something better out there. Okay, seems like 360 cameras has gotten pretty popular in the past few years. My main problem with this is battery in the cold. These seem to do better, and according to this Reddit post, I should get the X4 over the Osmo Pocket 3 for skiing. Let's go shopping. I just got back from shopping and uploaded an unboxing short. I love buying from Microcenter's markdown clearance. They are open box stuff. Most of the time, all new or gently used, but occasionally you will get broken stuff. So we are gonna test this right now. There is a 15-day return if we need to do that. This one doesn't come with an SD card, so I bought their in-house brand. Quick research says it's pretty good, and it was a few dollars on sale. Let's put it together. It's charged, let's turn it on. I started swiping around a little bit and it's pretty intuitive. Go down for different settings like light and sound. You could move the camera around just in the middle. This centers it and changes to front back lens. Here are different resolutions. Swipe this way for more color white balance settings. I'm keeping everything at auto because I haven't done too much research. Swiping this way will give you your album. Let's go take some video. I'm back from filming and just plugged in the camera, dragged and dropped the video files, had to download their studio to edit 360-degree footage. Everything seems to be working properly, so I'm not planning on returning this. Can't wait to see where this goes. Video 250 done.